Hi everyone, I am so happy to share my newest innovation with you all, my new SoftSculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. This is a multi-use liquid bronzer that warms the complexion for a natural sun-kissed glow while softly shaping and enhancing your features. Creating this product has been a dream. It has an innovative formula and unique packaging that you can use two different ways. Depending on your preference, you can use the pump or the doe foot applicator. I also love that this formula is super versatile. You can wear it over makeup or directly onto your bare skin, and you can also mix it in with your foundation. To apply it all over the face as a bronzer, you want to use the pump and the F4 brush. The formula delivers sheer coverage, giving you the most beautiful and natural second skin finish with a soft blur effect. To shape and enhance your complexion, I'm going to add a few dots using the doe foot applicator. The duality of the doe foot and the pump make it super easy to use, which is always very important to me when creating products. It feels so refreshing and cool on the skin, making it look like you just got back from vacation. Head to makeupbymario.com to find your softest sculpt yet.